So I'm out in the shop tonight. Everybody just left. Tilly and Maverick were out, and my dad. And Tilly bought an 890 motor and carburetors for his dragster. And my dad went to go pick up Penn, and I got my motor back. I have to put on the carburetor and find out what we need to do to fix this. And then after all that, we gotta find some hose to hook everything up to, because the other stuff didn't like match, and it was all like hard and stuff. So I gotta find hoses, get it on there, and then hopefully we can get it to run pretty soon. So I got the motor all in, and we measured it, and we got about 9 inches. So we used, where is it? We used this tool right here. This is the driven side, and this is the primary. I don't know if you can read that, but it says 8.3, 8.62, 9, 9.25. This is 8, 8.5, 8.62. I think it's 0.9. I mean 9, and then 9.25. And all you do is throw this on here, right there. See, it fits. Oh God! See how it fits perfectly in there like that, and it fits decently over there. The thing's a little too big for it, but my dad's putting his nitrous kit on, or plate or whatever, and Rodney and Bog stop out, so he's talking to them about it and stuff. So Tom's over there working on that car, and yeah. So I'm gonna trade cameras so my dad can do a time lapse of him putting in the new transmission and stuff, and that'll be a whole nother video, but I'm gonna still be working on my car, so we're gonna have 2 videos going. So he's gotta hook everything back up, and he's doing some nitrous stuff, so I don't know. He had to change converters so he can put a nitrous converter in, so I think it makes it tighter. I think that's what it does. I think that's what it is. And we got 4 bottles of it, and we got I think a plate system, I don't know, but we bought it from Dustin, and it just mounted on to this, went under, then we could just hook it up straight to what we just used to do. He's on the phone with Tom right now from Wellstar TV, and
Oh, really?
we need to take his seat belts out. So he's gonna make a video about all of his car and stuff while I'm still putting mine in. So I'm gonna trade cameras quick and get to work. So we're out in the shop and we're putting fuel lines on my car, and Penn's over there, he's putting seat belts in. We have 5 new sets because Penn took his, but we have 4 more sets of seat belts for the cars. We got some for the dragster, my car, Nova's car, Penn's car, and then the Chevelle, which that's down in Lincoln though. We got Pro One USA. We got these kind of seat belts. We got these ones, pretty cool. And we gotta put those in. We gotta go get some spark plugs. And so we got 5 new spark plugs and 25 foot of a 1/4 inch fuel lines. So we'll have a bunch of new lines, and then we're gonna go put them on and then install the seat belts. I think Pan will have them almost done on his car, so he'll have those done and should be ready to put ours in. So we got a new fuel. So we got new fuel lines. We went down and got 25 foot of it, and my motor's all ready. We got fuel in it, and I think we're good to go make a test ride, drive, or whatever down the driveway a few times. So we're about to start it up. Here we go.